Okay, every time I connect my Canon R50 to Windows 11, Microsoft Photos pops up and tries to hijack the process. So in order to stop that, I've decided to remove Microsoft Photos. You can do that by going to Start and searching for PowerShell, and then clicking on Run as Administrator. Okay, when you get the window, enter get-appx package, a space, capital M for Microsoft, dot, and capital W for Windows, dot, and a capital P for Photos, then a space, the vertical line, a space, remove -appx package, and when that's done, you can close PowerShell. I'll turn my camera back on, and it opens the EOS utility, but not Microsoft Photos. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.